Instagram has added an update that allows users to now add up to 20 images to carousel posts. Previously, this limit was 10 images. To create a carousel post, first open Instagram app on your mobile. Now tap plus icon on the bottom bar. From here, tap post. Now choose your first image. Next, tap the carousel icon and add more photos and videos. You can add up to 20 images to the post. Once added, tap next. Now here you can add filters to change brightness and contrast to all images at once or edit each image individually. Once done, tap next. After editing, just add caption, music, location and adjust sharing settings. Once you are okay with the post settings, you can share the post with your friends and followers. So that is how you can add up to 20 images to Instagram carousel post. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.